Hey, today I'm going to show you my new catalytic converters for the 2003 Ford Expedition. They will work for other years too, but it's finally come time. I've noticed a little less performance on my Ford Expedition, so it's time for some new cats, and I did order some. I found a good deal on eBay for right around $400. Not bad, and I picked the kind of cats that only have one per bank instead of the factory 2 per bank, which will be less restrictive and better flowing. There's the box they came in, made by TWC. There's the name, and there's the address. Alright. Nice quality. There's the downpipe, leads to the first cat on the passenger side, and it comes out where 2 come to 1 to the rest exhaust. There's the driver's side, oxygen sensor bung, the cat sensor bung, and see, normally from the factory they have a cat up here and a cat down there, and a cat up here and a cat down there. These pipes just have 1 per side, so it's a lot less restrictive and to the point, so it's a much better system, better quality, and it should be a lot better than the last one I had. These ones look really nice, and it's got a clamp for the last bit, so I'm going to see if these things will just bolt on for me, or will it be just like the other ones where I'll have to take it into the exhaust shop and have them maybe do a little welding and maybe a little changes to the direction. We'll see how this goes, and more to follow.